Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei Nova 9 to Huawei Device. Start by opening App Gallery on both of them and tap it on the search bar. Following that, you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just open it. Over here we need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on this Huawei device. So open. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here choose send on Nova 9 and receive on Huawei device. Following that, you need to click on all of those dots and choose send in order to send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with this one photo, choose send and click got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on receive or simply scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Huawei device, choose allow and point your device's camera at the QR code. Now we wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of Files app, click on, in my case, Recent, and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!